Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to my channel. Today I have a short 10-minute deep stretch yoga to release the tension from your body, especially good for days when you're short on time and you want a quick release. So let's start. We're going to start this practice in Baddha Konasana, butterfly pose. So you can join your feet together. You can create more space in between your legs and your body if that's more comfortable for you, since this is the first pose that we are starting with. So get comfortable, breathe in, lengthen your spine, and breathe out, just go forward as far as your low back is allowing you now, and release your hands, stretch your arms forward, dropping your knees down towards the mat as much as you can. Let your neck and shoulders relax and just slowly start to connect with your breath. Start to make your breath slightly more deeper. So let's take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. One more. Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out through your nose. From here, gently take both the arms to the right side. So opening your side body, grounding your left hip back on the mat. Keep breathing. Come back to the center and taking both the arms to the left side. Breathe. Gently come back to the center. Take your arms in, take your arms up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Get your arms down. Get your legs in. Okay. And we are going to get into reverse tabletop. So you're going to take your arms back. Open your fingers wide. We are going to gently press into our palms and lift our hips up. Getting a nice deep stretch in your arms and your shoulders. And you can look at your knees or just gently drop your head back. Keep breathing. Lifting your hips up. Keep breathing, stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly rest your hips down and we are going to get into cat and cow from here. So come on all 4 position and just we are going to take a variation of cat and cow. So you're going to take your fingers in like this. Okay, pointing towards your knees. So you get a nice stretch in your forearms and your wrist and releasing your wrist. But if you're not comfortable, you can always come back pointing your fingers forward. Okay, so see what's most comfortable for you. Knees underneath your hips, knees are hip width apart. And you're going to drop your belly, chin up, look up, breathe in. Breathe out, round your spine, look at your belly button. 2 more. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. 1 more. Breathe in, drop your belly, chin up, look up. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Slowly getting your spine to normal position and let your fingers point forward now. And from here, we're going to get into puppy stretch, Anahata Asana. So opening your upper body, taking your arms forward, lower down your chest. Now maybe you rest your chin on the mat, maybe you rest your forehead on the mat, whatever is easier. Hips stay over your knees. Breathe. Staying here for 1 more breath. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. From here, come on your forearms and let's get into Cobra pose. So taking your legs back, resting your pelvis down, press into your palms, lift your heart, take your shoulders down and back. Breathe. Stay here for a few seconds, releasing your lower back, your spine, opening your upper body. Keep breathing. Stay here for a few seconds. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down your chest and we're going to get into Dhanurasana, bow pose. Bend your legs, take your right arm back, holding the outside of your right foot or maybe your ankle. Same with your left. So just whatever you hold from right, you should do the same with your left. Kick your feet back in your hands, lift your thighs off the mat. Breathe. Nice deep stretch for your quads. Releasing your lower back, your shoulders. Look straight ahead. Relax your neck. Keep breathing. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Gently taking your palms underneath your shoulders. Press into your palms. Lift yourself up in another variation of cobra pose. Breathe. Shoulders down and back. Keep breathing. And from here, come on all four again. And we're going to go in downward dog. So wrists slightly ahead of your shoulders. Open your fingers wide. Press into your palms. Tuck your toes. Knees up. Hips up. Push your hips back. Widen your collarbone. Push your chest towards your legs. Breathe. And then pressing into your left heel, lift your right leg up. Bend your right leg. Point your right knee up towards the sky. So opening your hips. Make 3 circles with your right leg. 1, 2, 3. And change the direction. 3, 2, 1. Get your right leg back to the center. Breathe in. Breathe out. We're going to get into lizard pose. Step your right leg forward. Right foot is outside your right hand. Okay. Right foot to the edge of the mat. Right hip slightly forward. Open your chest. Breathe. Send your left heel back. Continue to stay here and breathe. Hold this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your left knee down. Take your right arm back. Draw your right shoulder back. Adding a twist to our practice. Really good for your lower back, for your detox. Breathe. Draw your right shoulder back. Now if you want to add a quad stretch, if that's comfortable for you, bend your back leg, your left leg, and see if you can easily hold your back foot with your right hand. Yeah, just listen to your body. Keep breathing. Stay here. And if you're holding it, see if you can get your left foot closer to your hips. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release slowly. And from lizard, we're going to get into pigeon. So you're going to get your right foot in between your palms and slowly drop your right knee down and sit on the right hip like this. Okay? And your right shin is parallel to the front of your mat. Flex your toes for your right foot. Get your hands in front of your right shin. So you can choose to just sit on the right hip. Maybe this is the maximum stretch for you today. Or lift up, square your pelvis. So really deep stretch for your hips. Really good to do every day. You can be on your palms or you can be on your forearms. We're going to stay here for a few seconds. Keep breathing. You can center your left leg, push it back, lower down your right hip. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come on your palms and we make our way back to downward dog. Tuck your toes for your left foot, lift your left knee up, right leg back, go in downward dog. Catch your breath. And then we repeat this on the left side. Pressing into your right heel, lift your left leg up. Bend your left leg, point your left knee up. Make 3 circles. Start with any direction. 1, 2, 3. And 3, 2, 1. Left knee back to the center. Breathe in. Breathe out, getting your left leg forward outside your left hand, lizard pose. Left foot to the edge of the mat, left hip slightly forward, chest is open. Breathe for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your right knee down, relax your toes for your right foot and take your left hand back. Draw your left shoulder back. Now if you want to add a quad stretch, bend your back leg, your right leg and see if you can easily hold it with your left hand. Keep breathing, drawing your left shoulder back, getting your right foot closer to your right hip. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release slowly and getting into pigeon from here. So just get your left shin parallel to the front of the mat. Option to sit on the left hip and hold the pose or square your pelvis, lift up, right leg back. You can be on your palms or your forearms. Stay here for a few seconds. Breathe. Stay with your breath for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit on your left hip. Come on your palms. Let's go back in downward dog. Tuck your toes for your right foot. Take your left leg back. Breathe. And then slowly taking your palms back towards your legs. Take your arms back. Interlace your fingers. Take your arms away from your lower back. Take a nice deep stretch for your shoulders. Soften your knees. Relax your shoulders. Breathe. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release gently. And from here, lower down your hips. Rest your knees down. We're going to go in wide knee child pose. So joining your big toes together, opening your knees wide as you're comfortable or as wide as your yoga mat. Stretch your arms forward. Lower down your forehead closer to the mat and breathe. Maybe your forehead is touching the mat, maybe it's not. That's fine. Just be comfortable. Hold this pose for a few seconds. Breathe. Gently taking your palms in and sitting in a cross-legged position. So we are done with our practice for today. I hope you enjoyed this short session to help you release the tension from your body and you're feeling more relaxed now. If you want to practice more today, I have lots of other videos that you can practice with. Maybe you can support your practice today with some meditation or some breathing or whatever your body feels like doing now. So thank you so much. Namaste. See you soon. Hi there, thank you for participating in the 7-day Beginner Yoga Challenge. I'm so glad to see you. If you would like to do more today, you can do guided meditation practice or you can do some breathing exercises. And don't forget to click on the button below to subscribe to my channel to get regular updates on my new videos. Thank you and see you soon. Namaste.